I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through.
Sundown Salt 6.
Oh yeah, you done swapped out some things.
Sundown 544 on the around 6.5 in the door with Sundown 5 1/4 in the dash.
Yes, sir. You done swapped some things out since the last time.
All my friends are
demos, don't smell nothing heating up back there. Oh yeah. What amp did you have at first? I can't. What?
I had a Cherry MB8K.
Yeah.
And I swapped it out. Bought the new Salt 6, put it in. Got a 45 amp hour C-Max now. That's controlling everything. I got a battery lead on it.
Just run the whole truck.
Run the whole truck. Both amps, all the fans, the whole
Put a lot of man hours in this motherfucker, including this.
He ain't gonna keep it the same.
No, he never does.
Yeah.
Only difference is he had all of us on. That's the difference.
Y'all wouldn't let up on him.
No, we didn't let him touch it much.
Oh, okay.
We did a lot of shit to keep him off of it.
That's what you gotta do.
I folded everything, got the
Damn, Scooby, I bet it's so good to be out in the slammer. We got to put these motherfuckers in a hamper.
I got it now. It was flexing at first, wasn't it?
It's still flexing.
Was it hard to put up there?
I did my day.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.